Hello guys, actually I made a similar tutorial before, but since the app has been updated on the Play Store and I was getting requests in the comments that you should make a new tutorial on the new version of the application, so here I am. So you need to do the same thing, go to the Play Store and search for lesser audio switch and install it. Open it. First of all, you need to go to the settings and ensure that switch microphone option is ticked. You have to tick this, otherwise none of your settings will work. So after ensuring this, connect your earphones, and now you have to go to the settings of the headphones, and there you have to select the internal microphone option or whatever the microphone you want to use. So I want to use my device's internal microphone, so I will select it, and then I will ensure that I click on the headphones icon, and now on the top you can see the output is headphones and input is internal mic. So that way you can ensure whatever settings you have applied is working. Now sometimes it may happen that when you remove your headphones you cannot hear anything from the speaker itself. So for that you need to ensure to click on the speakers icon so that the settings for the speakers can apply. Now, if you're confused and want to reset the device's default settings, then you need to click on the reset button and then it will show you that restarting your device will undo any changes made by this app. So just restart your device and your settings will be back to normal. That's all.